Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. It's pinned by Harmony and Boybilbo81. It's called Pikachu, #1. And I think that's supposed to be Pikachu. I think they were trading cards or something. There's trading stickers or little round discs or something kids traded or things like that. I don't know. Maybe it was a cartoon. I have no idea. But that's what it's off of. So let's see if we can get into this thing. We had stuff like Big League Chew or something like that that have a trading card like Monster card in it with a monster driving a hot rod and stuff like that back in the day, or the wacky packs with the silly renaming of products, like Kodak, now a Kodak, with a duck, and it's just silly, but it is all fun. Let's see what we can do with this thing. Okay, I got a little click on 5, little movement with it, little movement with I think 4. Got some counter. Oh, way too much counter. I don't think that was good, so we'll come forward. Getting counter, but I'm thinking I'm messing this up. I think I'm getting bad counter is what I'm getting. Yeah, I'm messing that up. Let's try it again. Okay. What am I missing? Maybe I'm trying too hard. Oh, it's open. Okay. We'll take that. Why not? I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Do it this way. We'll get it turned upside down. And where's my dilly dauber? Right here. Ooh. Well, I know that's right over there, so it's not lost, folks. It is still there. And I've learned my lesson using these things here. This is a long booger right here, I can tell you that. There's a long way to go to get to there. Ooh. Oh, get back in there. It wants to run away. And there's your pins. Wow. That's a monster long pin. Okay, let's see. Yeah. All right. We have threading in 3 and 5. Oh, don't run off on me. Little booger. Okay, where'd my tweezers go? way up here. Move. I moved them. There you go. Okay, number 1. Oh, it's barely peaking. Wow, this plug is like really slick. Wants to just run away on you, you know. Okay. I heard that spring. There it is. Number 3. Okay. There's a spring for it. I would go in the back normally, but it's a long way back there. So I can't. This is going to be kind of in the dark. Kind of hunting here. Four. Man, I'm telling you, I can't see, guys. That's a real deep shot. Let's see. No, not yet. Got a little up. Got to move that back a little bit more. Oh, come on. There you are. Oop. Got it, though. Wow, that is a long spring. And the last one, we're going to try. I need a little more light, but I can't even see that thing. That's a standard anyway, so we're good with that. Luckily, it was a standard. And where's my little flashlight? Oh my goodness. I get some stuff going. I misplaced stuff. Isn't that nice? I don't see any mods to the top, which they're kind of hard to do unless you take out those caps. So, yeah. This is Pikachu. We got standard, got double serrated, standard, triple serrated. We got a standard on top. This long kind of a king looking chess piece. That's pretty cool. I like this little ball with the dill. And then we got a triple serrated and another standard. And your springs, I am not even going to try to call them out to you. So that's what we have in Pikachu by Harmony and Boybilbo81. Okay, so that's your bidding. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.